In this lecture, I want to explain the blockchain to you, as the blockchain is the complete underpinning of Bitcoin. Now, what you see in front of you is the blockchain website. By the way, this is also a wallet, but I'll go over that more later in the course. But like I said, as you can see, all these are the transactions that are being processed right at this moment through the blockchain. And as you can see, they just keep coming through and they just keep carrying on. So all of these are transactions through Bitcoin that are being processed by the blockchain. Now, the blockchain, if you weren't aware, is a permanent database of Bitcoin transactions across the globe. The block is the up-to-date part of a blockchain which records the transactions, and once the block is complete, it gets added to the chain. Once the block is finished, a new block is started. Each block is linked to every other in chronological order, with each block containing a hash of its predecessor. So the easiest way to describe this is to imagine that this right here, what you see, is the database of all the banking transactions that have ever taken place, and the most recent transactions, which are coming through right now, are added onto the database as and when they happen. The individual blocks are each person who is doing the banking. Now, hopefully that makes it a lot more clearer for you. Now, the Bitcoin protocol demands that all nodes or computers in the network are linked to this blockchain database. That's so that each Bitcoin transaction can be monitored and can tell the network how many Bitcoins sit at each address. So these codes that you see right here, so these mixture of letters and numbers, those are the Bitcoin addresses. Now, the main problem with the blockchain, as you can probably tell, is its size. It just keeps getting bigger and bigger because it has to record all the transactions that are taking place in all corners of the world right now. So as you can see, if I click on more, these are all the transactions that just keep on coming through, and it just makes the blockchain grow and grow and grow. Of course, this then leads to synchronization problems, as well as keeping the chain stored effectively. Now, when we consider that on average a new block appears in the chain every 10 minutes, we can see the extent of the issue.